Hi everybody, welcome to Washington Heights. This beautiful evening, I'll be showing you a nice and cozy one-bedroom apartment few blocks away to the Columbia Medical Center and the New York Presbyterian Hospital. Let's walk around. Right now, we are at the entrance in the foyer. And to our left, we are going to find a closet. The nice surprise here is that if we turn to our right, we are going to find another one. Two closets at the entrance. The last tenant just moved, and probably we are going to be able to see some of their belongings. Walking in the foyer and also to our left, we are going to find the kitchen. This is an eat-in kitchen with 9 appliances that also include a dishwasher. Now, right in front of us is the living area. Very spacious. Walking through the hallway, right in front of us is the bathroom. And to our right, the bedroom. Also very spacious. This building is an elevator building. The apartment is on the 4th floor. Also, it is a pet-friendly building with a laundry facility and on-premises super. The A, C, and 1 trains are very close, just a few blocks away. If you have any questions about this place, please just let us know. We'll be very happy to assist you. My name is Adribel Ruiz, and thank you so much for taking time and watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.